All right, so we got our brand new Mavic Air 2 drone. We've got the propellers. I didn't have to install propellers on the Mavic Air drone that we had because it was just, you know, thank God I never wrecked the drone, and the propellers that were on it were the ones that we bought it with. So this one, however, you have to put propellers on it. So I'm gonna go over how to install them because I've never done it before, and I thought maybe it'll help someone else out too. All right, so with the Mavic Air 2 drone, you actually get 2 bags of propellers. A lot of people that I was watching videos on, they were going, you know, what are these 2 bags? What are the different markings, all that? One bag is marked A, and it's got little yellow propellers on the back. And the other bag is marked B, and it's got blue propellers on the back. So you wanna make sure you pay attention to that when you open it, because if you dig in there and start jerking stuff out, you're gonna be like, oh, what's that go to? But I'm also gonna show you a trick if that does happen. So now when you look at the drone and you pull out the arms, you've got A, B, and then on the back, you've got A, B as well. Then of course, what you're gonna do is you've got your A gold propellers there, and then you've got your B blue propellers here. So make sure you put them on the right side, because if you put them on wrong, I've heard stories on YouTube about people, they fly their drone up and the drone flips and just crashes. You gotta make sure you put them on the right one. I'm gonna install the B ones first here, and you gotta pop these little black pads off. Blue propeller, blue bag, labeled B. As you can see on the bottom, you got these 2 little knobs right there. And then what you're gonna do is on the top, you actually have 2 spaces that show the openings for them knobs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place that in there. And then you just twist. So, and then of course to take it out, you twist the other way. You can see how it pops out of there. It's kind of like a spring. And it actually shows on top of the propellers where to twist them. So you've got little arrows on the top that you'll be able to see as well. But I'm gonna push down. Over on the left here, we've got the yellow or gold A-labeled propellers. And of course you can see right here, A on each side. There's a little tiny slight gray circle on the top of the propeller there. If you ever get a bag out and you're like going, oh my God, I don't know where that goes, look for that first. If you look at the other ones over here, see it doesn't have that. On the B side propellers, or B propeller blue, it doesn't. On the motor here, you can also see the gray right around the edge. And you don't see any gray on the motor here on the edge. The cool thing is you match the gray up with the gray there. And that's one way we know which side it's supposed to go on. Gray circle, gray motor. There we go. So we got the propellers on. The other thing I will tell you, and then some people did bring this up, is that you want to make sure you're landing this on definitely a level field or playing area, which of course the propellers aren't going to hit, but if you land on like grass or dirt or something, there's a chance that when it lands, it could hit that. So somebody did bring that up on YouTube that, you know, I want to make sure I shared with you as well. You know, you do get some extra propellers here. Looks like on the Fly More combo, we got 2 sets of propellers. There's 1 in the bag and then 3 more here. So we got 2 sets of propellers in addition to the ones we have on. That's pretty cool. Pretty easy setup. I've never done that before, but it was a lot simpler than what I thought it would be. So hopefully this video helped you. Now I will say, if you're the kind of person that's into videos about drones or travel, camping, maybe RV stuff, subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate that. And if this was helpful for you as well, give us a thumbs up. We appreciate that as well. And thank you so much for watching.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more great content that is ready to come. Peace out.